Hi everyone, how is everyone doing today? I hope everyone is doing well. I'm coming in to give you guys an update on how the garden is going. It is still going, it's still thriving. Some things are taking off, some things have died, and that's all right. We're keeping it going, we're keeping it moving. So yes, I'm coming in to give you guys a few things that I've been doing in the garden lately, as far as rearranging some things and thinking of different new ideas to come up with. I have no clue what I'm going to be putting in them yet. I think I want to put something in there that's gonna vine up quite a bit. I'm just trying to maximize all the space that I can. So I think that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to probably make a trellis to put in those two planters and plant something where it can vine up, and then plant something in front of it that doesn't take up much space or vine up. So yeah, that is the plan for those. I did that. I rearranged those on the back side of the garage. I also made a trellis for the back side of the garden, the other back side of the garden. I just put 3 pieces of wood together, drilled 3 pieces of wood together and drilled some nails in the top of the wood and wrapped it around with some twine, and I'm probably going to be doing my cucumbers up those up that particular trellis, and I'll probably make another one to go beside it. Not sure. I'm still trying to plan out where and how I want things to go. So yes, I'm just going with the flow and just taking my time and building things, and adding things and doing things the way that I want it to look. So slow and steady, that is how I'm doing it. So yeah, that's what I did with that. I also went back in and reinforced my strawberry planter that I have by my front gate. I took notice to where I had it towards the back of the gate, and with it raining off the roof straight down into the planter where it was, the soil just splattered everywhere on the back side of the garage. So I decided to push it up further by the gate, reinforced it with a pole, and I also went back in and reinforced the planters with some thicker twine that I found at Lowe's for about $7. So I went and I did that. Just went back in pretty good and heavy with the twine so it can support each planter underneath. And that will be my strawberry planter. And speaking of strawberries, I'm going to go ahead and show you guys some things that I picked up just recently from my local nursery. I picked up some strawberries and some other things. I picked up some more strawberries. I did have some strawberries that I purchased from Lowe's, but I think I left them in, you know how they come, the bare root that comes in the box. I think I left them in too long. I got them about 3 weeks ago and didn't water them or anything. I'm not sure, can't really say, because I didn't really open them up when I got them, and hadn't opened them up since then. But when I took them out and planted them in this planter, they look really like super dead. Like the roots were just crackly and brown, super brown. Like bare roots, they'll be brown, but not that brown. So I went ahead and just repurchased some starters from my local seed nursery, and I'm going to show you guys what I have right here. Sorry, oh, camera died. But I got these transplants from my local seed nursery. I got these strawberries. I think they were $1 and some change. $1.99, I believe. So I got some of those. How many? 9, 10. I got 10 of those. So yeah, I got some of those, and then I have this lime basil. Ooh, yeah. Now let me tell you, some of my herbs did not come through, so therefore I had to go get some transplants, and that's okay, because I might go back and get some more when I start planting things and figuring out where I want it, and seeing how much space I have. Then I will definitely go back and get some more and see how much how much more do I need to fill out wherever I would be planting them. But I did get this, the lemon basil, and I have, yes ma'am, some sage. What's that? You want to take your shoe off? Okay. Okay. There you are. You're welcome. And I did, oh my goodness, I'm excited about this. Look at this. I got this strawberry peppermint. And it smells just like strawberry, y'all. It smells just like it. Like strawberry scent. Like, it smells amazing. My goodness. Yes. I'm like, okay, give me double D. More D. I did also grab some sun gold. Yes, I've been wanting to try these. I'm so excited that it's the season for tomatoes, as if I don't already have enough tomato plants growing. I have about 30 to 40. Yes, then I probably would get most of the way, half away, but I do have a lot. So, but I just grabbed 2 to see, you know, how they are and if I would like them or not, and if I choose to grow them again. So I just picked up 2 of these, and I've heard good things about them, but I'm going to try them out for myself and see if I like it. So yeah, I grabbed those, and I did grab some lemongrass. Ooh, another herb. Yes, some lemongrass. I grabbed 2 of those from the nursery as well. They look good and healthy, and I have to definitely take these out the pot like as soon as possible, because honey, they are root bound. Okay, they are busting out the root, busting out the pot. Yes, my plan for the lemongrass, not only does it smell good, my goodness, it smells good, but my plan for the lemongrass herb is to make lemon oil, like for like hair oil, and you can make teas, and it's many other different, you know, ways that you can use it. So many different ways that you can use herbs and teas and oils and lemon balm, hand balms and lip balms, and you know, everything. So I'm here for all the herbs, growing all the herbs as much as I can, as much as possible, because that is one thing that I do want to, you know, do. Make all the things. But yes, that is what I got from my local nursery, guys. Yes, and I will be going back because they have some really, really good stuff. But I have my hands full already with the little one, and my cart was pretty much packed with this. So yeah, I'll go back and get some more of those. I just need to see how I'm going to lay everything out, because I'm still rearranging things and, you know, going about seeing how I want things laid out. But yeah, I'm going to just insert a few clips for you guys on how everything is going with the garden. Oh, the ranunculus flower has opened up. It has bloomed. It is beautiful, you guys. Oh my goodness, it's so pretty. I can't wait for the rest of them to open up and bloom. But yes, one has opened up. And yeah, everything is doing good. The crawlers are going pretty good. And I just went back in the other day and I grabbed some fertilizer from Home Depot. That is a 555, and I just went and fertilized my onions and pretty much fertilized the whole garden with that fertilizer, the flowers and everything. So yes, I've just been loving it, you guys. Just loving it. It's a beautiful thing. I'm so excited. I'm so excited for this season. But I hope this inspires someone to go out and sow a seed, anywhere you see fit to sow it, indoor, outdoor. Just go out and sow your seed, you guys. Okay? All right. Bye.